Hey, what's up guys? So after launching the Poco M4 Pro 5G, the brand is now gearing up for the launch of a new Poco phone that will be called Poco X4 Pro 5G. And now we have hands-on images of the device as well as its key specifications. So as you can see, the Poco X4 Pro 5G has an entirely new design on the back. Previous Poco phones have a wide camera island with Poco branding. Interestingly, if we zoom in, we also get to see the 108 megapixel mentioned on the right side. The publication reveals that it's an HM2 primary sensor. So it's a huge upgrade over its predecessor that came with a 48 megapixel main camera. However, a previous report hinted that the device will have a 64 megapixel main camera. It is also possible that the Indian variant could feature a 64 megapixel main camera and its global variant may get a 108 megapixel sensor. But hopefully we will have more information on its camera in the coming days. Anyway, moving on, the device will be powered by the new Snapdragon 695 processor. It's a new 5G enabled processor from Qualcomm that powers the newly launched Redmi 9 Pro 5G and some other devices. But that will be a downgrade when compared to its predecessor that is powered by the Snapdragon 860 SoC. The display on the Poco X4 Pro 5G will be a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with a central punch hole for the selfie camera. The device features thin bezels and an average-sized bottom chin. There is a tiny punch hole on the top and overall the phone looks beautiful. Apart from this, the device will also feature NFC and dual stereo speakers. The smartphone will get power from a 5000 mAh battery with 67W fast charging. It will come with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB internal storage and will run MIUI 13 based on Android 11, which is again disappointing. I feel it's a downgrade rather than an upgrade over its predecessor. So what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comment section down below, and if you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope to see you tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.